What is up, everybody? David coming at you from faithfullybearded.com. How many of you guys out there have a coarse, wiry beard? Maybe you have a gray beard. Don't be ashamed. You rock what you got. But having a coarse beard or a gray beard means a couple things. Regular oils that everyone says are so great that might be a little bit thin might not work all that well for you. So this review is on a company whose thickness knows no limits and who works especially well for my coarse gray beard, and I have a feeling it will for yours too. Company in this review, Artius Man. Probably a name you've heard around the community a little bit. Maybe you've heard how some people don't like the thickness of their oil, and that's okay. One thing I've learned in my beard journey is there is no cookie cutter answer. One product does not work for everybody. Artius Man's website is artiusman.com. Simple enough. And they have got some very, very interesting scents. They were nice enough to send me out a couple sample packs to try out for the review, along with their butter. So I say let's dive into it. So these are the Artius Man sample bottles. Pretty cool, green glass, rubber dripper, glass dipper on the inside, of course. Nice label on the front, kept it nice and simple, just got the scent and the website on it.
You see, I'm a guy of simple taste.
Another interesting thing about these samples is you can get some of them for free.
Come on, come on.
I would go over to the website, check out all the details on the samples, and get yourself something over there. So the scent I've been wearing and what I really want to focus on for this review is 3 Wood. 3 Wood is Hinoki, Oud, and Neroli. This is a true wood scent. Like, when you smell this, there's no doubt about what it is. Now, you guys know I haven't always been the hugest woodsy fan. I'm really trying to train my palate that direction because I feel like I'm missing out on some great scents just because I had a couple bad ones in the beginning. This is a good wood scent. Very strong, very potent. You will know about it. Other people will know about it, but I don't mind it. Some people have said the strength is too strong. I disagree with that. I like strong scents. They stand out. I don't wear scented beard oil for me to not smell it.
It stings the nostrils. In a good way.
So also in this one is some sandalwood, juniper berry, and balsam fir. Just adding to the depth, the complexity of the woodsiness, right? Carrier blend, kind of important. You've got castor oil, sunflower oil, jojoba, shea seed oil, argan, marula, baobab, good old vitamin E, and essential oils for your scent. That's a pretty heavy-hitting lineup. There's a couple in there that I really, really enjoy. In fact, if I were to make my own, there's only one I'd add to the list, but I'm not here to add, I'm just here to talk about what's already been done. This carrier blend works so well on my beard. I've been wearing it, I don't know, a couple weeks now, maybe with a couple things I was wearing for a day, but for the most part, a good solid 2 weeks. I had to give it the full rundown. I was thinking maybe I was doing something different. Maybe it was the co-wash I was using. So I took my beard all the way down with a pine tar wash, stripped it all the way out, no conditioner, and then dropped in this oil and the butter that matches, and my beard, honestly, hasn't felt that great since it's been this long. If that gives you any thoughts of whether you should get it or not, I'm just saying you should think about it. The full-size bottles are 1 ounce, pretty standard across the board, but honestly, these little samples, they have a couple, 4 or 5 good uses out of them. So order yourself 4 or 5 of them. Try 4 or 5 different scents. If you're going to grab some samples, I would recommend a couple off the top of my head. I actually really liked their spiced latte scent. Don't judge. Winter's Chill was really good, and Mountain Air, I think, were my favorites. A lot of people talk about Restoration and Midnight Ride. Midnight Ride has got kind of almost a black licorice scent, but not in a bad way. It just wasn't on my top of the list, but I've heard a lot of good things, and I've worn it once. It's just not up my alley. Up my alley? It's not my style. This 4 ounce beauty is Artius Man's butter. I want to give kudos for this packaging. I love the white and the silver tops and the green lettering. It just all goes together really well, and I was super impressed by it. But packaging only goes so far. It's what's inside it that matters, right? This is also in the 3 Wood. This is such a creamy butter. I've been hearing talks about a new way to refine shea butter that has changed the ball game of the products that we put in our beard. And I think it's absolutely true with this one. This is a super smooth, very nice butter. This one's got a little bit of hold to it though. Not a ton, like your beard is standing straight up, but when you first put it in there, it's got enough grip that you'll actually feel it come off your hand into your beard. So I was a little bit worried, but once you get it in there and it moves around a little bit, it's free flowing. So ingredients on the butter: shea butter, coconut oil, cocoa butter, grapeseed oil, jojoba, and 100% essential oils for the fragrance. Artius Man also has a satisfaction guarantee. I've never tried it, but I can only imagine if they're going to put that on their products, that if you're not happy with it, they'll make it right. Another interesting little tidbit is their butter containers also have a customer service phone number on it. A lot of companies don't do that these days. I can only imagine how many calls the bigger companies get. But to put that on there, it's kind of a safety blanket for me. I'm not saying that if you put a toll-free customer service number on something crazy that I'd buy it just because it has it on there. But if I'm buying it anyway and it's got a customer service number on it, it just makes me feel better. I can reach out and talk to someone. I'm really old, so to be able to talk to someone over the phone versus email holds a special spot for me. Recommendations. What's my overall thought? Overall, I would say that Artius Man is in my top 3. The scents are a little bit different, and they do take a little bit of getting used to, but once you get through that, the product itself is mind-blowing for my type of beard. They also offer unscented, so if you couldn't find a scent that you liked, you could always go to unscented and rock it that way. I've used the unscented oil, and it's great. It truly is unscented. Of course, everything's got a little tiny bit of scent that you can pick out, but once it gets in beard, it calms all the way down, and it's just nothing. They do offer a wash. I've never used it, so I can't talk about it. And they have some other really cool products, but again, if I don't use something, I'm not going to tell you guys about it. I think Artius Man is a win. It's a win if you've got a coarse beard. It's a win if you don't have a coarse beard. If you don't have a coarse beard, you're just going to use a little bit less of it, right? And what's wrong with that? But for all you gray beards, all you coarse beard guys, you guys need to get over to artiusman.com. Get you some product. Get the samples. Try them out. Throw them in beard. And if you're disappointed, I'll buy you an oil of your choice from your choice of company. I also have one of these left. This is a 5 oil sample pack that they sent me with my stuff. I really want to give it out to somebody who hasn't tried it yet. So go ahead and leave a comment if you have not tried Artius Man, and we're going to pick a random winner out of the comments. I really appreciate you guys stopping by the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider it. If you have subscribed, make sure you hit the thumbs up if you love it, thumbs down if you hate it, and leave a comment even if you've tried Artius Man. Tell me what you think. How does it work on your beard? Again, guys, I appreciate your support. Faithfully Bearded appreciates your support. We love each and every one of you guys. And until I see you again, be awesome to each other.
Thank you for watching this video from Faithfully Bearded. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the thumbs up, click the bell, and turn on all notifications so you're notified of all new content. You can also become a member of the channel and get perks for the tiers that you join. You can share this out with your friends and help the channel grow. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and at faithfullybearded.com. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.